Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divided by x, this one divided by x, and this one divided by x. So you will got about 3x squared plus 4x minus 2 over x. Next, the integration of s squared, you will got about s squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. The next one, this is about number 1. So you will got about 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. The next one, the integration of 2 over x. You got about 2 ln of the absolute value of x, and we put about c. So this one you got about number 3. This one you got about number 3. This one you got about number 2. This one you got about number 2. We simplify this one and you got about s to the power of 3. This one you got about 2s squared. And that's the final answer. Now let's do the next one. S squared divided by s squared, s to the power of 4 divided by s squared. You will got about 4s squared minus 6. And now we got the final answer. Next, for this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 4s squared minus 5. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about du. First the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. Number 4 with number 2, you got about 8. ds. First the derivative of number 5, you got about 0. Next, this one is about number 2, but this one is about number 8. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And you got about 2s ds. So this one will change for you. Add 2s ds will change for du over 4. The integration of u squared, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. 4 multiplied by number 3, you got about 12. And this is the final answer. The next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about 6s ds. Because we don't have number 6, so we divide both sides by number 6. So this one in here we change for u. S ds we change for du over 6. About this integration, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. S square we change for u. S ds we change for du over 2. The integration of this one, you got about 5 over 2 e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about s square. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.